Hello guys, how you doing? This is Lobos Tech here with another quick video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the Huawei Flybox 4G Plus router. So let's take a quick look at the main features. It's a 4G Lite router which comes with a Cat6 cable. The speed is 300 megabytes per second and the upload speed is 50 megabytes per second. It's an FDD and TDD. I don't even know what that means, but we'll take a look at that. It comes with a 2 antenna in the box, which is the 4x4 for the height, and it can connect up to 32 devices, 4 LAN ports and 1 telephone port. So this is how the package looks like. It comes with a nice packaging. It's very firm. So let's take a look at how the box is. So it comes with this barcode on it, nothing on the other side, and then some small display at the bottom. So guys, this is how the router looks like. I'm going to be taking everything out of the box so you can have a fair look at it. So it comes with the router itself. And then when you take this out, you can find your AC adapter or your power cable, your RJ45 and your antenna. So this is how the power cable looks like. And these are the 2 antennas. You're going to attach these antennas behind the router to boost your internet speed or to get a wide range of network. It also comes with an RJ45 cable, which is the Cat6 version. You're going to have to connect this to your router and then a PC if you want it, but in my case I only stick to Wi-Fi. So this is how the router looks. It's very nice, it's light in weight, and this comes from Orange. Yes. So when you look behind, that's where you can find where your AC adapter or your power cable goes in, your 4 LAN ports and your telephone port, as well as the reset button in case you forget your passwords or something. That is where you're going to have to reset it from. And then where the arrow is pointing on top, that is where you're going to open and then fix the antenna. When you look at the bottom, that is where you're going to find the SIM card slot. That is where you're going to insert your SIM card. In this case, this router is a universal router, therefore it takes any network, so you can just switch SIMs at any point in time whenever you want. So guys, this is all that comes with the Huawei Flybox 4G Plus. This is everything that is inside the box. There's nothing more attached. This is very fast. I've used it and I think it's really good. So enjoy.